Hey guys, I'm Rohit Raj and you're watching Rho Trades live YouTube channel, and this video is going to be about this week's expiry and also the video that we posted yesterday. If you have not watched it, you can watch and know about what we analyze and how we give the view to the people who are trading. So it will be really useful for you. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video and share this with your friends. So this expiry was a very calm expiry, right? So we knew that the market is going to be bullish this week because of the weekly analysis that we made from the 1 hour time frame, and the market just respected the analysis yet another week. So we did not fail any single week. Also, we told that this strike price almost like 36, 35,500, 35,600 put options will be zero this week, and I told people that we are going to be staying bullish the whole week, targeting the resistance. So that's what happened. So I even told you guys in this particular video, if you have not seen, the link will be in the cards or the description. You can just watch in the channel. I told that the market is going to break out 36,890. The market is going to look forward to reach 37,400, and that's what the analysis was, and that's what exactly happened today as well. So this expiry, I was not carrying any positions from yesterday, but still we managed to make around like 22,000 rupees profit in this particular account in this particular expiry day alone. So the most of my profitable trades were in the put options, and I also cut losses in some put options just to make sure that I'm in the right side. But in the end of the day, I managed to stay in the put option and ride it all towards zero and made some good amount of profit, almost like 2% this expiry alone. So the logic behind the profits that I made today and the trades that I made today is very simple. Let's switch on to 5 minutes time frame to get the intraday analysis. So after the Fed meeting, after the Fed chairman spoke on the news, and the 75 basis point was raising, and the Fed chairman told that the recession is not yet there. So he felt like there is no recession yet. So that was positive news for the market. The market instantly jumped like 1 to 1.5 percentage last night itself. So almost the Nasdaq was up by 3% and more. And we also knew that we'll open gap up. So after this huge gap up of 300 points, the market started to slowly go in sideways and rally up to close the market at around 37,336. So this whole way we were in bullish sign. That means we knew that the market is open above CPR. So keeping this resistance, or suppose keeping this first resistance as a stop loss, we can go for option selling. That is, we can go for selling put options. That was the basic idea for today. So on the starting itself, we went to sell 37 put option, and then slowly move towards 3700, 37,200. Later on, move towards 37,300 as well. So you can see this. Yeah, these are the strike price that we traded: 37, 300, 200, 100, 37. So all the closest strike prices we traded, and also I sold some call options in Nifty when I saw opportunity of reversal there. And also, if you see the losing trades, because we had a lot of fighting trades today, because we were entering in the right trend but in the wrong place sometimes. So these small losses are just all right, but this one particular trade was a very good trade actually. I entered this trade almost at 53 rupees, but I had to close it with a loss of 14,000 rupees because it went against my technicals at one point of time. But and then again I re-entered this trade in 37,000 PE, knowing that the market will go up, and made from 4,000 and then carried forward the position to next close strike price as the market moved every 100 points higher. So this is how we usually make profits very easily, because we have a very calm mind and stable mind, and we know the analysis and we believe it. That's the most important thing. So yeah, that's it guys. So this expiry was so calm, so easy for me to trade. Even yesterday I traded almost like 17,000 or something profit. Day before yesterday it was like 17,000. Yesterday I made almost like 13,000 rupees profit. So every single day I trade with my own analysis, and it proves to be right every single day. So if you want to learn about what is the trading strategy and what is the style of trading that I'm doing, why I'm being more confident about this trades, you can always go to my website, which is roadtrades.xleapp.com, and book my courses, and then you can join my live one-on-one course and know about what we trade and how we trade. So this is how we only focus on bank nifty, and sometimes if bank nifty is not moving much, we focus on nifty and find some opportunities. So, and also I don't trade any stocks, or I don't trade any stock options. So we only focus on index options, the two index options selling. So coming back to Nifty, there's no change in big change in Nifty. Nifty also performed like same by like Bank Nifty. We moved gap up, and then we had to consolidate for the first 1 hour, and then we started to break the resistance, and firmly it went up after that. So selling put options here also was a very good profitable strategy for the whole day. So this is the thing. So last final hard, this is my small account in which I have my passion towards the option buying with a very small amount like 20,000. Uh, we made almost like 1,000 rupees profit just by investing 7,000 to 8,000 as a risk. So this is a small account which makes good amount of returns in percentage in option buying. So I don't risk much of my capital in option buying. So I have also taken a overnight position for one lot. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'm not very sure. I'm also having a two lot position in this next week's expiry, that is 38 call option selling. So just to get some head start tomorrow, maybe 500 rupees or 1000 rupees profit head start is going to be helpful for us, right? So that's the idea. So if you're not watched this video, so I come up with the strategy and I come up with the plan of trading the expiries every single week, and I tell you people in Instagram, Telegram, a YouTube video as well. So you have to make use of it and make some money out of it. So these videos are actually money making videos. It's not just like another video which just gives you entertainment and you just forget. You can watch this video forever and then learn about the strategy, and you can identify the strategy yourself and then trade it properly. So that's the idea. Also, yeah, we can see the moving average crossover. It's a very good crossover right here in yesterday. Buy signal, and you can see the 2050 move to the 200 as well, moving like a branches, and that's a very good strong buy. But I don't want to carry any risk overnight, so I did not trade overnight. But I was sure that the market is going to be in buying side, and that's what I said in this particular video. After the breakout of 37,900, we are going to reach 36,900. We are going to reach 37,400 is what I thought. So yeah, that's the so that is my analysis, and that's the trade how it went. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and like the channel. So this kind of videos is going to be really helping you to make actual money, not to just entertainment purpose or not to just show off or something like that. It will really help you. And if you want any more personal guidance, you can buy my online course, and which is going to guarantee you to make some profits in the coming weeks or coming days of your trading career. So yes guys, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.